Hey guys, welcome to our channel. I'm Magdalena and today I'm going to show you my 3 favorite arm styling movements for bachata. Let's go! Start by bringing your wrist together like this. The palm of your hand shows outward. Now you start turning into one direction until you're blocked and you have to open the upper hand to the front like this. Now you turn a little bit more and you have to open the other hand, but you don't open to this side but to the other side like this. Now you're free to turn more into the same direction and you turn until you're blocked again. And now you start by closing the other hand that you opened before at first, so the one that is down now, and you bring it here. You keep turning until you can close the other hand, and now you're back in this position. Let's do it again. We go 1 and we turn, open the upper hand. Now we open the other hand and we turn. Now we close this hand and we keep turning, and now you can turn and practice until you're done. Do you want to learn this movement? Let's do it step by step. We start by touching our shoulder like this. Now we make a circle and touch our shoulder from the other side, but only with your fingers from this side. So we are here. And now you simply bring your movement back and touch your shoulder again here. And we open our hand and bring it down. Let's do it again. We touch our shoulder. Now we make a turn and touch it from the other side. We bring it back and now we do another turn. Let's do it with the other hand. We go here, touch your shoulder, do a turn, touch it from the other side. We bring it back and do another circle to bring it down. So if you like these movements as much as I do, make sure to like the video. This helps our channel a lot to grow and to reach more people. But now let's continue with the next movement. Let's do it with the 2 hands at the same time. We touch our shoulders, make a circle, touch them from the other side, bring them back and make a circle and bring them down. Now you can do it faster. And now you can practice 2 hands in different times. So you start with 1 hand. When it's back, you start with the other one and you have the full movement. Do you want to learn this movement? It's very simple. Let's do it together. We start by touching one of our elbows and open the hand. Now we start and bring only the hand to the other arm and we make a circle around it and go down here. Now we start and make a circle until up, and we start bringing our hand to the other hand, and now we have to change to the other arm and we go down with this arm, and at the same time we start going down with the hand to our other elbow until we are down. And now you bring this hand into your body to the other arm and open again here. Now we can go back. Again, we bring our hand to the other arm, but we make a circle and we start by moving our hand, moving. Now we are at the other elbow again. And we bring our hand into the movement and open again. To make this movement look even bigger, start looking at your hand when you do it, like this. I hope this video was helpful for you. Let me know down in the comments what you think, and I hope to see you in our next video. Bye!